Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up the Engine. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you all of the Molotovs that you should know on map the Nuke. So let's go for it. Okay, first of all, let's say that you are a terrorist and you want to throw perfect molly towards the secret, so actually no player can peek from this position. For this you can come towards the side of this box, and then as you can see the top of this building crossing the lamp. So we will aim just as it crosses together and just throw. And voila, nice deep Molotov towards the secret. If you don't want to molly stairs but more like the left side of the secret, you can come towards this box, towards the right side. And then you will aim, as you can see those lines, so first, second one, you will aim towards the left side of the second one, like here, and jump throw. Voila, nice and perfect molly towards the secret left side. Okay, when you are a terrorist and you want to throw molly behind the red box to actually make sure that nobody is hiding there, you can do it from there. So just come towards the middle of this gate, so like here, and then you will aim towards the bottom corner of this box and jump throw. Voila, red box is on fire. If you want to throw molly towards this area to actually make sure that nobody will wait here for you, you can do it simply when you are behind this container. So as you are behind it, just simply aim below this part of the roof and this, so right in the middle, and run through. Voila, it's fully on fire. Another way how you can molly it is from silo. Simply come here towards the back of the silo on this part, and then you will aim towards the top of the left, whatever it is, on the roof, so towards the top, and just run through. And voila, it's again on fire. And as you could see, you don't need like a run throw or whatever, you can just slightly move towards the front and throw it without even a peek towards the player in the garage or at the backside, and it's still perfectly on fire. If you want to molly a heaven balcony, you can come towards the roof close to T-spawn. You will jump on the left, this whatever it is, you will come here towards the side, and then you will aim, as you can see, the window at the doors, so to the left, till you are like at the middle of the yellow part, like here, and just jump through. And voila, balcony is on fire. If you want to molly this part of the heaven A side, you can come again towards the roof, so just come towards this left box. You will come towards the top right corner, make sure all of the windows are broken, and then as you can see this middle line, you will go down, 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 down till the end of this blue line actually, and then jump through. And voila, heaven is on fire. If you want to throw molly towards the default A plant from the roof, you can do it so from here. Just come towards this corner close to the box, and then of course make sure that all of the windows are broken first of all, but then you will aim at, as you can see, the floor under the stairs, so here, and you will aim towards the left side of the floor and towards the middle, like here, and jump through. And voila, default is on fire. If you want to throw molly towards the second side of the plant on the A side, you can do it so from here. Of course, first of all, make sure that you've broken all of the windows, and then as you are lined up towards the edge of this, you will aim at the bottom of this fence and jump through. And voila, even the second side is on fire now. If you are on the roof and you want to molly top of the hut, you can do it so just simply jump on this round thing right here, and then make sure that you broken the windows here and this part of the roof. Aim towards the top right corner of this window and run through. And voila, top of the hut is on fire. Another way how you can molly top of the hut is here from the back of the roof, so just come close towards this ladder, then make sure again that the windows are broken, and as you can see this middle of the window, you will aim towards the bottom to the end of the blue line, and then you will slightly run jump through like this. And top of the hut is again on fire. Be aware that you can also molly a heaven from the roof, but for this you need actually one teammate who will boost you. So for this, simply just boost with your teammate on the right round thing on the roof, and then you will go as to the right as you can. You will aim towards the top level of the window, and you will aim towards the right till you will hit this like whatever it is, and then just throw. And voila, boost is on fire. When you are at the hut, you are running out towards the A side and you want to molly heaven, but you don't want to peek it actually to risk that somebody will kill you. You can do it in this way, that you will stand towards those doors, and then you will aim, as you can see those two parts at the top of the reactor or whatever, you will go to the top till the pipe and you will just throw. Voila, heaven is on fire without you even had to peek it. If you want to throw molly towards the default, you can do it from here, so just come towards this corner, and then as you can see those box, you will aim towards the top of the head, about this box, and just run through. As you can see, all default is on fire, even without we had to peek at the main. If you are at the doors and you want to again molly the default, you can come here little bit behind the right side of the doors to make here the small square or rectangle. Then you will aim above from the right side of the box, like towards the middle between the yellow and the box actually, and you will run through. And voila, default is again on fire. If you want to molly second side of the A plant from the heaven, you can simply come towards this corner, and then as you can see this yellow pipe or whatever, you will aim towards the middle and to the level of the top of this rectangle, whatever it is, so right side and here towards the middle, like here, and voila, the plant is again on fire. If you are at the heaven and you want to throw molly towards the hut, like inside, you can come here towards this like electricity box to the corner, and then as you can see this yellow like fence or whatever, you will aim towards bottom of like the balcony under the right side of the yellow side, so like here, and just throw the molly. And voila, as you can see, nice deep molly at the A hut. When you are at the heaven and you want to throw molly towards the doors, you can just come here towards the right side of this wall. You will crouch and then you will aim towards the right side of this like tag or whatever it is, and just throw. And voila, doors are on fire, same as vents and everything around it. If you want to molly a main, you can simply break the doors with the nade, and as the doors are open, you will simply aim towards the top mid of the main entrance and just run through. Voila, the main is on fire. Next, let's say that you are at the backside A and you want to throw molly towards the main without even picking it. You can do it so from this corner here, just came here, and then you will aim, as you can see, this small part on the floor, so you will just aim on it and then jump through. And voila, main is nicely deeply Molotoved. In a similar way how we already threw molly towards the default, we can also molly back of the vents. So simply just came here behind the right side of the doors and aim towards the top right corner of the hut and run through. And voila, the whole area behind the vent is burning. Or another way how you can throw molly towards this back vent is from the roof. So just again come towards this right round thing and then aim towards this top middle of this window. Of course, make sure that you broke the windows before, and then you will like walk through smoke. So not run through, but walk through like this. Voila, back of the vent is again on fire. Okay, now let's say that you are at the backside A and you want to throw molly not towards the heaven, but actually under the ladder. For this you can come here, as you can see this gray line, so not towards the first part, but let's say there is the second part, so towards the middle of the second part you will line up right towards the middle, and then as you are crouching and watching towards the heaven and you can see this pipe here, you will aim towards this right bottom part and just throw the molly. And voila, molly is right under the ladder. At the ramp there is one really simple molly. For this, simply run throw the molly towards this wall. As you can see, it landing perfectly towards the middle, covering all of the control room, so actually this has to stop their push or they will take a lot of damage. Next, let's say that you are a terrorist, you want to go towards the ramp, but you are afraid that somebody could be on the boost and you don't want to pick it and risk that he will kill you. For this you can come here towards the side of the wall, you will crouch, then you will aim here at the top of this line, so right here, and you will then jump throw. Voila, the boost is on fire, so actually the player that would stand here or even here would have to move or change his position. Nextly, when you are at the control room and you want to throw perfect molly behind this box, you can come here towards those chairs, you will crouch and aim towards the top of the left side of this box, like here, and just throw. As you can see, the perfect molly, and player will burn even on the fence. If you want to throw perfect molly towards mid of the ramp, simply run through smoke towards mid of this yellow column, like this. Voila, perfect molly for the ramp. When you are playing behind this box at the ramp, you can simply come towards the back of this line, so like with the back totally close to the wall, and then as you stand up you will throw the molly slightly above the rightest the light most to the right and a little bit above, like this, and throw. As you can see, another perfect molly at the control room. If you are at the control room and you want to throw molly behind this box, of course you can do it in this way, but let's say that you don't want to pick the player that can actually pick you with AWP or anything else. So as you are staying there at the control room, you can throw the molly, run throw the molly towards this yellow pillar, and voila, the back of the box is again on fire without even picking it. When you are hiding at the back side of B and you want to throw molly towards the left entrance from the ramp, you can do it so from this corner. Then you will aim towards this white dot at the top and you will run throw Molotov, like this. And voila, the right entrance is on fire. When you are a player that is playing here behind the boxes at the B side, you can actually molly the right side of the entrance from the ramp. For this, just come here towards this corner, and then as you can see those dots, so you will aim towards the end of this line, whatever it is, so towards the end of this line and a little bit to the left, and run throw, like this. And voila, left side or right side is on fire. If you are coming from the ramp and you want to throw perfect molly towards the blue boxes and as well behind the plant, you can do it so by aiming towards the mid of the circle and then just run throw molly, like this. Voila, as you can see, behind the boxes and even behind the side is the fire. When you are at the doors and you want to throw perfect molly behind those boxes, you can do it so just by aiming at the top left corner of those windows and just run through. And voila, all of the area behind the boxes is on fire. When you want to molly stairs without even picking them, you can simply come here towards this wall, line yourself up to actually the left side of the wall will be lined up with the right side of the vent, and then you will aim towards the mid of this wide, let's say, rectangle of the wall. So wall, 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 and here you will aim and just throw. No run, no walk, just throw. As you can see, the stairs are on fire. In a similar way, you can also molly those stairs, so again just line up the side of the wall with the side of the vent, aim a little bit, like let's say that there is a rectangle between this ring and the side of the vent, and aim towards the middle and just throw. Don't walk, don't run, just throw. Voila, again perfect Molotov for the stairs. If you want to molly silo, you can come towards this corner, and then you will aim at the top of the lamp, right here, and then jump through. Voila! Silo is on fire. If you want perfectly molly this area, you can come here, right towards this main entrance. You will come towards this wall, and then you will aim, as you can see there, this darker rectangle. You will aim towards the mid top side, like here, and just throw. Voila! Perfect Molotov into the middle, so the T's have to wait and they cannot cross towards the red or do whatever else. If you want to throw molly behind the red box without even picking it, you can do it from there. So simply stand on this yellow line, right in the middle actually, so like here. And then as you can see the container, you will aim just above the left wall at the bottom of the container, like here, and jump through. Voila, red box is on fire. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. Really hope you found here what you came here for. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button. If you want to know about every new video, hit the subscribe and click on bell as well to be notified every time new video is online. You can also follow us on our socials, or for monthly fee by your choice, you can become member of Skiller Squad, what will support this channel in a huge way, and you will receive multiple perks as special loyalty badges, access to special members only community posts, and all of the members will be thanked to at the end of every new video. Okay, but now it's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.